Hi guys, thanks for clicking on my video. You have clicked on Cooking with a Lioness, and that's me. Hi y'all, I'm sorry I'm eating a popsicle. But I'm in Florida, it's hot, it's coronavirus, and I'm eating popsicle. But anyways, let's jump right into it. I'm going to be doing an omelet for you guys today. It's super easy, super simple, beginner friendly. So if you've never cooked before, you can watch this video. You should be able to make a bomb omelet. They're going to love it. Omelets are delicious. If you're trying to make breakfast in bed for somebody, a birthday meal, whatever, a brunch, try this omelet. I'm sure you're going to love it. So stay tuned. I'm going to walk you through everything that I'm going to do. So here I have 3 peppers. I already have dipped them in this, which I'm going to show you what I did. And so what this is a mixture of apple cider vinegar and a little bit of water. I dipped all 3 of them in this, and like I said, I already dipped them, so I'm just basically showing you what you're supposed to do. And I do this to clean them because I like my vegetables clean before I start cooking. Okay, and then so after you do that first step, what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut up all 3 of the peppers. I cut them up, took the seeds out the middle, and then I'm going to bag them up. And then I'll use some for my omelet, and I'll use some, well, I'll put the rest of them up. I'll freeze it for a later date. But yeah, so you just take the seeds out, that little hunk right there in the middle, you're gonna cut that out. Really easy, really simple, just don't cut yourself. I did use a cutting board. If the video is kind of a little shaky a little bit, my daughter's filming for me. She's the best. But anyways, yeah, so just continue to watch. I'll just show you how to cut them up. This will be a little slow-mo right here, and then we're going to speed it up. And another thing, yeah, don't mind my little pinky nail, y'all, because I know you probably saw it, and all my other nails don't have a nail on it, but that little ugly one over there is sticking out. And I'm mad because it's coronavirus, so I can't go out and get my nails done. But anyway, it's supposed to be like that. I only got 1 nail done on each pinky, and that's because I'm a hairstylist as well, so this is just something that I like to do on the side. But yeah, like I said, don't mind my little pinky nail because I know y'all gonna be hating and saying stuff in the comments. But keep watching. Okay, and so yes, you can turn the pepper on that back side of it and slice them up the long way, and then I turned them the opposite direction and sliced them across. So I did vertical, I guess, and then diagonal. I don't know. But yeah, you get the picture. So, and then like later on, I am going to show you how to slice them if you have the pepper turned on the other side. So the way I'm doing it now, then you're going to see it like flipped over on the other side. But you'll see. Just keep watching. Hard to explain. Okay guys, here is where I was telling you can flip it over on the, I guess, the stomach, and cut them up like this too instead of on their back. This is all the ingredients. I lay everything out. My seasonings, eggs, bacon, peppers, cheese, spinach, all of that. These are the mushrooms I love to use. They are super tasty. Baby Bella mushrooms, basically the portobello mushrooms. They are one of the most flavorful mushrooms to me, so this is what I use. So just slice and dice them, you know. Small as you want, you don't have to do too big, but slice and dice. All right, it's egg time, y'all. So I just did 2 eggs. I'm gonna use this Himalayan pink salt in the grinder. And then I'm just gonna use some black pepper. So that's all I use with my eggs. Nothing more. Black pepper and the Himalayan pink salt gets it done. Himalayan pink salt is a little bit more healthier for you too, so. And then I use it on a little small little circle, as you can see. Because the other two, you know, it's gonna make more salt come out. You don't want that. Hey, y'all like that music? Hey. Onto the stove. Okay, so I put it on 6. But yeah, so I'm just going to start out. I'm going to show you the oils that you can use that I like to use if you're trying to eat healthy. That's the avocado spray, 100% pure avocado spray. Or you can use some coconut oil. So I use both of these. I like both of them. Sometimes I don't like using a coconut oil because it leaves a little taste on some of my food and I don't be liking it. So it just depends on what I'm cooking anyway. So I'm gonna use the avocado oil to start off on with my food. I'm gonna start out with my avocado. And then you know what? I made a mistake right here. So I actually didn't mean to spray my pan before I put my bacon in there. Like, I don't even know why I did that. I wasn't thinking. But yeah, so really you don't have to spray your pan, especially if you use a non-stick pan and bacon. Bacon gonna have a lot of fat grease anyway, so it would have been fine. But it's okay. It's okay. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna just make it do what it do. So you just put the bacon in the pan and let it fry. Yeah, so I just put some bacon in there. Then, you know, you kind of spread it around. You know, make sure it's all evenly distributed in the pan. And then, you know, we're just gonna let it fry. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit, you know. And then I'm gonna flip it over. And y'all will see it at the end. So now what I did is left a little bit of the bacon juice in the pan, and I'm gonna use that bacon juice to saute my vegetables for the omelet. And I usually put kale in it too, but yeah, I don't think I had none. So with the bacon fat, I just saute the spinach, throw some mushrooms in there, and then I'm gonna put those peppers that I cut up earlier. I'm gonna put some of each color into the pan, and I'm just gonna saute it all together, y'all. And another thing, I don't know why I just like kind of messed up on this video a little bit, but anyways, usually I put my peppers in first because most of the time they be frozen. And then, oh yeah, I use, I need to slow that down. But anyway, and then I'll put the mushrooms and I'll put the spinach and kale in last because it tends to, you know, shrivel up a lot. But yeah, you see what I'm doing? Got my little, acting like I'm a chef and stuff. But yeah, let that cook a little bit till you know your vegetables are a little bit soft and everything. And then I'm gonna take it out, well, off the eye, and put it in something. And y'all, don't judge me. I basically was using whatever to cook this food, like I always do. I don't care. Like, I got a little spoon, I got a little behind bowl, and it's gonna work. I'm gonna make it do what it do. So who can tell me what this is? Coconut oil. Anyways, yeah, so this is where I use some of the coconut oil. I put that in there, and that's gonna be my base for my eggs. So now it's egg time. I scramble them up and just pour it on in the pan. And I let it cook a little, and then I'm going to dump all those veggies that we sauteed. Yeah, they're going in, because we're gonna get ready to flip and make this omelet. And y'all, that bacon oil, that's really gonna make, like, give it some really good flavor in this omelet. So and then yeah, I took 1 strip of bacon and crushed it up into the omelet. I always do this because I don't just like to eat my bacon on the side. I need some crunch in the middle. And then we got the good cheese. That's Sargento in here. Real cheese, so my sister says, whatever. But yeah, sprinkle that on there. And I love cheese. I don't know about y'all, but I love cheese. You don't love cheese? What's wrong with you? But yeah, so you usually take the drier side of your omelet, because it's always gonna be a side that's a little bit loose, like loosey-goosey, like how that's falling out over there. But take the dry side and flip that side over. And you know, it don't gotta be perfect. It don't gotta be perfect. It's all gonna go down your stomach the same way, whatever. But so yeah, I flipped that side. And then since there was stuff coming out, I just flipped the other side a little bit too. Made me a little burrito omelet. But anyway, so yeah, do that, and then you're gonna let it cook a little bit more before you flip it. Okay, so now we're finna get ready to flip it. Just slide the spatula on the one side, and you gotta be quick with it. Watch this. Bam! You see that? Okay, now y'all need to see it one more time. Watch this. Bam! Okay. Quick with it. And look at this omelet up close. That is so pretty. Yum yum.
It look even gooder than what you see it. Like what you see it not on the video.
Yeah, I heard my baby does. She said it look better in person. Okay. Now I just I'm plating my food, so I put some bacon on my plate, and then now I'm finna smack the omelet on there. I don't know why I did it like this though. See, I don't know why I flipped it on there like that. I could have just laid it on there nice and easy, but I want to flip it again. But whatever. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the delicious omelet you will have if you follow my steps. And look at that. It looks so good. And I said I love cheese, so I always sprinkle the top. But I hope you enjoyed this video. It was fun to make for you guys. So comment below what you thought. Thanks.